Fire departments in Central Florida are already preparing for some of the months when Florida is most at risk for brush fires.
WESH 2's Haley Krumblholm live in Seminole County with how crews are getting ready there. Haley.
So prescribed burns are the big precaution that Seminole County takes to try and make sure that brush fires can't grow out of control. And this is a step they take throughout the year, including right now. They just had a prescribed burn last week in the Lake Proctor Wilderness area. Brush fires or wildfires can break out anytime.
As with California, you really don't know when a brush fire season is. Traditionally, it's going to be during the summer, during the dry months.
And that means preparing before those months arrive.
For us, we look at how do we mitigate that, and one of our ways is doing prescribed burns. Prescribed burns are very important because it's a very planned event where we go through the forest and grasslands and we do land management.
The Seminole County Fire Department has done prescribed burns as recently as last week.
We look at how much undergrowth there is, how much overgrowth there is, and what areas really have been affected in the past. One of things like back in 1998, we had the firestorm, and that really brought to light how much we need to take care of our management of lands out there.
And in Florida, some of the vegetation here can really burn.
When those palmettos take off, it's like gasoline. They burn hot, there's a lot of oil in those leaves, so there's a lot of plant vegetation that builds up. And once they take off, especially when there's the oils like that, the palmettos and all, there's not really a lot we can do to stop those.
But when you're looking at fires in California and ones here in Florida, it's not a one-to-one comparison.
The prescribed burns that we would have here versus what California could have are completely different. They're looking at terrain issues and all, so our prescribed burns are going to be completely different. Our fires are completely different as well. But it does undermine the importance of why we need to control burns.
And as we get closer to the drier months of the year, it's a reminder to take steps sooner rather than later.
By getting out there early, doing the prescribed burns, having the homeowners get out there, make sure the underbrush and all those property lines are clear is going to help them and it's going to help us.
And in the event of a brush fire, it's a good idea to take some time, clear out vegetation around your home, mow the grass regularly, and get rid of any dead branches that may be hanging over your roof. We're now covering Seminole County live in Castleberry. Haley Krumblholm, WESH 2 News.